Looppanel is the user research assistant of your dreams. The old-fashioned way to conduct user interviews is, well, tough. You can choose to record your interviews, rewatch the recording to create your notes, analyze your notes on a doc, cut out clips using editing software, and hit send. Ugh. Or you can get an assistant, like Looppanel. It syncs up with your work calendar and automatically records all the online interviews you conduct. The recordings show up instantly, along with an excellent transcript. Never take your attention away from the participant. Just hit bookmark during the interview when they say something important, and check out the important moments afterwards. Were you going to take notes of the interview? Looppanel already made them, waiting to be reviewed by you. You can tag them if you want to. Once the notes are done, hop on to the analysis section, which will let you analyze your interview according to the tags or the questions. Eager to share your work with stakeholders? Looppanel has your back. You can invite them as collaborators to the entire project, or create clips from your interviews and show them how frustrated your user was with that pink button. I wouldn't recommend getting Looppanel because it's too much of an unfair advantage. If that isn't a concern for you, your research assistant is waiting for your orders. Looppanel, the best research assistant you'll ever have.